kita putih tu.
Lalu?
Saya ni bagi panjang kalau.
Kamu
Lalu?
terus sudah.
Ni China marah.
So it's been just about 3 weeks since we took this guy into surgery after the really nasty wound that he got on his leg. There was just this big flap of skin that had just completely detached from the muscle. So we had sutured all that up. He just got neutered a couple days ago, and he's doing really good. This wound would have been, if it hadn't been treated, it would have been really life-threatening to him. It would have been super infected, and I think there's no chance that he could have at all survived that without big treatments. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and a really big thank you to our donors who are making life-saving rescues like this possible. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really makes a difference. See you next time.